Hi, my name is Rajat, and this is the demo of my Agentic property management system. And in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the setup, the key features, and quick workflow showing how different user roles interact with the platform. So currently, like we are on the GitHub repository of this Agentic property management. Once you will clone and run the make up command, your services, the Docker containers like will run, and it has like multiple services. So these are the like five services like which will run. First one is for the database server, migration script, row level security policy will be applied, and then API server and web application. So with one command, like you will get like this setup of the application. Once your application is up and running, then you can go at the bottom and see like we have the demo users for testing the application. So for this demo also like we'll be using like these users only. And if you go to the like Supabase like a database, like we have these users which I've mentioned just now. So this have been like added through the Cedar script which we have run earlier, and we have the policies also which have been applied the row levels for the row level security. And if you go to the database, like you can see all these like tables here along with their like information and how they're like interconnected with each other. Quickly, starting with the demo, I think I have taken three like users, tenant one, admin, and contractor. So I have just like added the password also, which is like similar like to what we have seen in the GitHub repository. Now let's log in for each one of them. Now, as you can see here, like for admin, which is in the middle, you can see I think here also the role is given here, tenant, admin, and then contractor. So for admin, as you can see, like he can see like both like all the properties which belongs to him, and for the tenant, like he can see only the one like to which like he belongs to, not the other like properties. And contractor cannot see those properties until unless any issue or job has been assigned to him. Okay. After that, like you can see the status of the like issues which will be listed here. So currently, as there is like no issue and all, so that's why the status is 0. Now quickly go through the chat feature. So we have this like thread list. Here, this is the chat feature. Let's try to add something here. I have some issue in my room. So tenant has just mentioned that I have some issue in my room. The agent has replied, could you please describe the issue you are experiencing in your room? So which means like until unless like you will give the brief information like about the issue, it won't like create any kind of like task or something. And if you come to the like threat list here for the admin also, like you can see we can see the messages from the tenant one. It is written here that I have some issues in my room. And so okay, now let's mention that I have issue with the light flickering in my main room. Okay. So the issue has been created. So the agent has like created that, and you can see the different view also of the issue which has been created. Light flickering in my main room, set the priority, and it is still open. The light in my main room is flickering and requires the admin approval. Okay. Now here in the admin dashboard, like you can see, like we have two contractors along with their like slots available. So let's choose contractor one, and let's choose December 9 as the date to start the job. Now, as you can see, like we have the system messages also here, which are visible in both of them. And instantly, like for the contractor also, the property is now visible along with the job which has been assigned to him. Okay. So like we are using the polling feature so that like they don't have to reload the like page again and again. So all the users can like see the information about the jobs and issues in real time. Now like the contractor can actually like see the job here and also update the status like from scheduled to in progress, completed or cancelled or something. Okay. So this is like one of the way like to update the job status, but from another way is like from the chat itself. So now let's write in Hindi that or maybe like in English itself that I have started working on this issue already. Okay. Now, as you can see, the status has updated, and we can see the status from like from the dashboard. But here, like if you can see the system message that contractor one has started working on the issue light flickering in my main room, originally reported on 5 December 2025. The job status is now in progress. So if you go to the like dashboard also, let's go to the like contractor dashboard. You can see the updated status here. It is in progress. And also if admin goes to it, like they can see the recent issues and same for the tenant also. So it is an electrical issue. It has been accepted, opened here, and job has been scheduled for 9th of December. If you remember that we have chosen the 9th December slot, the admin has chosen it. So this is the like a whole workflow. And also let's complete the job. Okay. So from the chat itself, I have complete my I have completed or let's try in Hindi. Okay. Now, if we see like in the thread, मैंने job issue complete कर दिया है. Contractor one has completed the job for this, and the issue has been marked as resolved. Now, if you go to the dashboard, it will be visible as like resolved. Okay, and same goes for this also. Like for the contractor, once the job has been completed, they cannot update the status anymore. And one more thing for the admin, if you go to the threads, as you can see, like um, tenant cannot see the details drawer. So we have this information button through which like we can see the details of the property and also the available slots for the contractor. But these information like only admin can access, not contractor and neither like tenant. So this was the role-based thing. And yeah, also the status has been updated. Total issues is one. So the summary of the issues is also visible here. So yeah, thank you. And I think, yeah, here the demo ends.